Let's say that you traded some stock on E-Trade and you did your own taxes on TurboTax and you forgot to include that because, you would never do it purposely. But sometimes you're like, how are they going to know? They're going to know. They're going to know. Why? Because E-Trade also reports all of that information to the IRS. And what happens is they match your tax return to the stuff that E-Trade has. And they're like, wait a minute, this $10,000 gain that they had over here, it's not really matching to their tax return. So we're just going to send them a letter saying, hey, you missed this $10,000 trade. You owe us an additional $1,500. Here's penalties and interest. If you believe that that is true, then you just kind of accept what they're telling you. You pay the fees and you pay the penalties because it's true, right? Now, if they made a mistake, that's when you can actually call them and say, hey, I don't think this is right. Let's get through this together. My number one suggestion is to make sure that you talk to them and you get the ball rolling. You don't want to leave them hanging. You want to make sure you get on the phone with them and you say, hey, I'm a little confused. Can you help me out? Really, like I said, they're human beings. They're not here to come and take you to jail. They're really just here to do their job. So if you agree with the letter and you're like, you know what, they got me. I did forget that $10,000. Or another one that's really missed is when the cancellation of debt. So for example, let's say the bank, forgives some debt that you had. You have to pay taxes on that if you did not know that. Agree with the letter, pay the IRS and move on.